This is a coil bracket. See. That originally was supposed to go in there. I'm not going to bother welding it. Too much awesome. So I'm going to drill a fucking hole through there, look. And make an L-shaped bracket to go back on. I'll grind that down flat. I'll make an L-shaped bracket to go back on there. And that's the coil pack mounting fixed. See, buying all these new bits, see, wouldn't it?
You want to knock it down together because it's split here.
So I decided to weld instead. So there's the weld. There's that side. Good enough. So we clean it up a bit now, spray it. And that's the coil bracket done. 2 minutes to tuck.
Okay,